fall. If I die, know I lived and missed some bullets. I'm on the pursuit of happiness. I know everything that shine ain't always gonna be gold. I'll be fine once I get it. I'll be good.
Where are we going?
Going to pick up a fucking shitter.
A shitter?
Yeah.
What are you doing?
Flick his pecker. Put him to sleep. Morning. Rise and shine. It's fucking race time! Alright, sounds good. Just send it over to me. Love you. Bye-bye.
We go to buy shit,
Stop.
and we always come back
Yeah, I
with
bought
more.
extra cash for a reason.
Dude, I'm sick of it. It's always side quests.
I know. I went to go pick up a car last weekend. I ended up with a golf cart and a fucking LS short block.
Cop a chicken dog for the 18. Same normal pay man for the coach team. Then I hit your block with that straight drop. 3 grand for the 50 will have your block hot. Cop a chicken dog for the 18. Same normal pay man for the coach team.
Got my Timbs on. Got my luggage. And off to the shop we go. Why no video on?
Because I need to get the tire out.
It's 2025. It's a new year.
No, it's not.
New year, new you.
Not yet.
What are you doing? No!
No video on.
Why no video on?
I need to get shit done.
You're not getting anything done. You're lighting shit on fire and throwing shit.
I'm fucking pissed. My hand's all swollen out from punching shit. Fucking angry. I'm fucking done.
It's not like dead, but the thing just whoa.
This kid's brain dead as fuck. He had all day, and he wanted to do this shit last minute, and he goes, "It's a pain in the ass. Charge your fucking battery."
Oh, fuck it. I literally went home, did what I had to do. I got out of work.
Fuck
at
your
5:30,
dog.
6 o'clock, I didn't get home.
Your dog bites. Fuck him.
It attacks everyone. When are you going to put it down like Old Yeller?
He's brain dead. Everything's dedicated to Frank, but he doesn't have a truck, doesn't have a trailer, don't have tools.
Hello,
Dylan, look at that
friends.
camera.
What's up, Pimpin'?
Look what I got.
You got to come here and help.
I got gloves.
Is this long enough?
I got hand warmers. That's where my good strap went. That's it.
Ah!
Take it off.
Keep going.
Take it off.
Nah, that'll be good. Phil, I fish up 30 pounds.
Triple T, son.
Oh, shit box.
It's like 25 degrees out and there's salt all over the roads.
Is there NOS in here?
Are you testing?
No.
Oh, why?
After I filled my bottle with.
Alright, I'm done. I closed it. Go easy on the windshield, pal. It's brand new.
What the fuck happened here? God damn! What the fuck?
Bob Tabor goop job, Dave.
Nice. It worked?
Of course it worked. What do you mean? This is why we learned from Bob and Isaac.
You think it's going to be a shit show?
I don't know. I mean, it's fucking 10:20. We still got to test. I hate it.
She's looking pretty rough.
Look at this. It's got fucking plankton in there.
I know. He said there were $300 though.
Watch this go. Yeah, it'll do that.
Yeah, Kai. No! Good team effort. We're supposed to leave at 9. 10:55.
What are you doing, nigga?
About to go make a test with my cutlass, motherfucker.
What are you doing?
About to make it lick.
Where?
I'm heading to Maple Grove. You want me to pick you up on the way?
I'm drunk, dude. What the fuck do you want me to do?
Okay, I'll pick you up. We're going to Maple Grove. We got a street class to race tomorrow. We have my car and Frankie's.
Dude, I am fucking drunk as fuck right now. I drank a fucking bottle of tequila.
Where you going? Where you going right now?
We're going to make a test, and then we're going to fucking make a. Then we're going to Maple Grove.
Where are you going right now? Mountain Creek?
Mountain Creek, yeah.
So where are you right now? What are you doing? Where are you going right now? Where are you?
Look at that bad bitch on the back of the trailer.
Oh my, I love that car. Dude, Big Block Chevy, bro, is life, dude. You fucking flicked out for so long. You were clear with LS, bro. I don't give a fuck what you say. You're like, oh, LS, bro. I'm like, you're a fucking bag, bro. Big Blocker, get the fuck out of here, alright? I don't want to hear bullshit. I don't want to hear no small block Ford. Frankie Ford, get the fuck out of here. LS fucking small block Ford, get the fuck out of here. 350, get the fuck out of here. Big block fucking Chevy, my nigga. I don't give a fuck, bro. Get the fuck out of here. That's the truth, my nigga.
Fuck yeah. Hey.
You ready for the salt drags?
Yeah.
Look, my way or the highway, bitch. Look, check us out this V, we got all kind of shits. Look, they gon' let us sit, we got all kind of sticks. Look, that little bitch a trick, she do all kind of tricks. That's why I like the bitch.
Testing in 21-degree weather.
It's too cold.
It is pretty cold out. What do you think it's gonna do?
Spin?
Spin?
It's gonna sound good doing it though.
You think he's gonna grab the kit with his spinning?
Does the bear shit in the woods?
This sounds so good.
It definitely, it went good on the way back.
Yeah.
Yeah. Where are we from?
Dutchess County.
Dutchess County, exactly. Putting 845 on the fucking map. It is now 12:19.
Fuck, I'm ready to go see you even fucking
I ain't driving shit.
Pretty green, but all of my blood. Oh, I need it. I can take all that. Oh, I wanna, yeah. Pretty green, but all of my blood. Oh.
253. Look at that. Anytime I come with David, we get a nice hotel. Come with Chris, prostitute hotels. This place is way too classy for us.
What's this? What's this? No.
No. What's up, buddy?
I'll step at a wall.
Ready to start this day?
Oh yeah, let's do it. Let's get some money.
Everyone's a winner, we're making our fame. Bonafide hustler, making my name.
What's that off of?
It's off this thing.
It's off this?
Yeah, why?
What kind of insurance you got on this baby?
State Farm.
State Farm? State Farm's there.
You had no dealer tags.
Hi, my friend.
What's up?
What's up?
Registered.
Oh, hello. Hi. You can't give me a fist bump?
Like crying. Grow up.
What's up, bro?
Hey. What's up?
What's going on?
In a good fucking battery. I don't know why we always come here with a dead fucking battery. There's starting to on.
What happened?
Bulkhead.
Predictions, Michael.
I think this thing will do alright.
My tuner.
I think this will do alright.
Yes, baby. I'm the king.
Yeah, that was.
Yeah, baby.
Doesn't go your way, you will be doing a buy-in for second.
I'm proud of you, buddy.
Are you?
You had a good day.
Not bad.
From first test hit to semifinals, buddy. Yo! What's going on back there?
What the?
Successful trip or no?
All right.
All right.
Not too bad. First time out with a new car.
Goodbye, my friend.
Good night, my friend.